For the Heckler's team, big up teammate. Soundclass fraternity, take man, big up yourself. But, here what? Aggression. Shame on you. Big on serious. You're a Rasta man. And your first one, blood clot this, blood clot that. Listen, drop it. Drop it.
Reaching town. There's no sound but to take it down. There's no sound boy.
Larry, big up yourself. Big Shiloh. Tell my friend, big up.
There's no crown. That's why. But I don't know I see rich enough to that side on somebody get rich and switch, man. But remember, throw the man down it.
Aggression, that's a Rasta man. Shot class, you make it to New York. Aggression!
Give face to Rastafari.
Shoot!
All that manga. I'm wasting that coming to Bola.
Yo, been in Sharky Queens for 30 years. They don't do nothing with it.
Beat them all. Yeah, it's too bad for
Fargo! I'll deal with it later.
Beat another sound for
Okay, now these niggas, yeah, I call them niggas. Them here, pussy clock, we lonesome I talk about Matt Bernard and Merciless I talk about Matt Bernard. You thought I wasn't gonna show up? You thought I wasn't gonna fucking show up? Yo, 2 weeks ago, Shoki got fucking killed in the same blood clot place, Queens. Shoki, how much time am I get to teeth and kick out? Shoki! Turn it up!
We are going to put them like a trash at the night. We must go lick up and go cash at the
night. Yo, Shoki!
Some dubbing on them box now.
Shoki!
Your life long, but you're careless with it.
Yo!
Aggression!
Look at say can't cross the border. I'm very fucking proud. What else I'm tell you?
Them get a right for the money, get them funny, and then brainwash them on the western journey.
Yo, Shocky and Dumpy Bat. We killed like 4 times already. Let's see the one that team them and drop out time out.
Anywhere you go, we gonna kill you, sir.
Yo, listen, we respect every artist, but Tamale, we will never blood clot fight that. Never! These are my artists, drop it!
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and what they gonna do? Them get slew, yeah.
I want to live!
Who do you think you are?
Hold on. Nobody say nothing. Nobody move. Nobody turn on your phone. A moment of silence for Sharky. After tonight, no more orange and black of fear. No more Lanas. No more upper blood clot neck. After tonight, no more Sharky. Sharky!
Some boy you better pray to the Father. We say that carry you go home. See rich man of a the case them went on. Release with the region and sound underground. Tonight a some boy you go get murdered. Don't tell much about them a rise for your fall. Jump on the box, splash out on the wall. Down the mother ball.
Yo, Fargo, I respect you. You're a chef. You make an honest earn money. How much pussy clot beef patty you get higher tail? because Tech 9 has a dub program on Medical Rose. So being like Fargo is Tech 9 stepchild.
See you rich kill the pussy and they shoot down. No my kids will be so that they cool down. Get your truck and your back better move. Find yourself a new round.
Yo, you know what's funny? Hustle Man got fired 3 times with no fucking pay. I get hired, I get fired. Hustle Man, come on.
Oh, you ain't coming, and you ain't armor. Oh, serious on the way for you, oh, you ain't coming, and you ain't armor.
Yo, we're not gonna lie. Notch, are you boss me a Notch? Look how we Notch put out the video. Hold on. I was the biggest blood clot thing was so much fraternity. Sean! Hey! I want to hey, yo!
Well, this is I've never seen a 45 before. There's no soul never get conquered from Cayo Do.
Yo!
Them would have had to say no news of me. Yeah, them would have had some clash with the spirit of the whole them and their rock.
Yo, aggression. Welcome to New York. Plastic knife don't work. John!
Yeah. Now. Anyway.
Welcome to New York. Welcome. Aggression.
All them come on to say them part and they're wicked. We should be getting my big guns to mad. I need to know what them preach when they tell this. See it. I need to go down the road and tell them.
Yo. Aggression, you're new to this. Alright? Love Line, Big Queen song. King Agane is like the king of these of Queens. Serious Sound is the motherfucking cosmic of Queens. Drop it!
Oh, smart. Black side singing you dark side. Oh, hey, we've got it going on. Hey, there's no competition.
Yo!
When she rich playing, hey, my firm as the rock of Gibraltar. Some white this them get slayed.
Yo, somewhere I see a certain song for turn around. Me have some pussy clap tune, we can't just play anything I get forward. What's the one there? Yo!
Made it try but could not test. See rich sound.
Yo!
Made it try but see rich just dropped them down.
I'm going to spend the child support money.
Some fool that try to test it, but them names yes.
Yo! Hold on! Aggression!
Rich just me, yes, I didn't run out so
for King Clinton.
See rich, have no mercy. Send some jump and some to the cemetery. Kill them off, kill them off. Kill them off, kill them off.
Yo, Shoki. Okay, no matter. Anything we play about Jimmy. Jimmy Smith, big up yourself. Congratulations on your Canada win. Oh, you're from Canada and he won. Oh shit. Yo, big on serious. Shoki make a 10-page paragraph on Facebook talking about he run fucking Queens. Shoki, the last time you did good in a clash or a dance was when lecturer clash. Blood clot Professor Nuts. That was back in 87, bitch! Yo, you see yourself?
Serious on
Yo, Jimmy Smith, let me do your job. Time. Next song.